Today, we're going to be learning about math partners. What are math partners? Math partners are the different pairs of numbers that can be put together to create another number. These partners are hiding inside other numbers. But don't worry, we're going to show you how to find them. Let me break it down for you so it makes sense. Let's use dots to represent our numbers. To find partners, we simply split up the dots. We're going to use a line. So here we would have 1 dot on the left and 4 dots on the right. That pair of numbers is partners, 1 and 4. To make sure we don't miss a number, we simply move our line over 1 dot at a time to make sure we find all the partners. Let's get started with the number 2. To find the partners for the number 2, let's start with 2 dots. Now there's only one set of partners for the number 2. To find partners, we're going to split up our circles. So if there's 2 circles, we can put a line right in the middle to split them up, and we'll have 1 circle on each side. 1 on the left and 1 on the right. When we add those together, that gives us the number 2. So our only set of partners is going to look like this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let's move on to the number 3. So we're going to have 3 dots. Now to split up these dots, we're going to add our line. We're going to start with 1 dot on the left and 2 dots on the right. For the number 3, we're going to have 2 sets of partners. Let's start with our first partner equation. We'll start with the number on the left, which is a 1, and then we'll count the number of dots on the right, which is 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Our first set of partners would be 1 and 2. Let's move our line over. Well, now we have 2 dots on the left. So when we fill in this equation, we're going to start with the number 2. On the right of our line, we only have 1 dot, so we're going to add in our number 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. There's your second set of partners, a 2 and a 1. Those are the only sets of partners that will make the number 3. A 1 and a 2, or a 2 and a 1. Let's move on to the number 4. We'll start with our 4 dots, and the number 4 is going to have 3 sets of partners. Let's split the dots up, starting with 1 on the left and all the remaining dots on the right. Our first number, the number of dots on the left, would be 1. Our next number would be the number of dots on the right, which is 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. For our next set of partners, let's just move our line over 1 more dot. So now we have 2 dots on the left, so our first number would be 2. We have 2 dots on the right, so our next number would also be 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. For our third set of partners, we're going to move that line over 1 more dot. Starting with the number of dots on the left, our first partner would be 3. And the number of dots on the right make our second partner a 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And there you have it. Those are our 3 sets of partners for the number 4. 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 3 and 1. These are all the partners for the number 4. Thanks so much for joining us.